Way. If you guys see my old box braid video, you know that there's a big difference. Like, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Honestly, man, even posting that video, it was a bit embarrassing. But this shows the journey that I come on, right? With the help of 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲cie here, the hair guru, and myself. You know what I mean? I know a pretty decent amount of information myself. Yeah, so I'm just grateful, man. And listen, man, you can do it too. All right. Look into our hair growth playlist. Got so much there for you guys. We have other braid styles you can look into. A whole braid playlist, you know what I mean? For everyone that has stuck with us, who saw my first box braid video, I just want to say shout out to you guys. I appreciate you guys. And if you guys have been rocking with us since that last video, comment down below. Maybe we can even shout you guys out. But yeah, hey, listen, man. This is Fly. It's not that hard. We did it in approximately 20 minutes, alright? And you can do it too. I straightened my hair earlier so that it could be easier to just isolate the hair strands and just get a clean and lengthy braid up. And this is the result. And shout out to the 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗍protective spray, because that has my hair looking shiny. Look at this, man. Woo! You know what? I feel like a rapper. I'm gonna start rapping. You know what? Comment down below what my rap name should be, alright guys? I need a new rap name.